Self-medication disaster. ChatGPT hid cancer. Internet advice turned life-threatening. Hello friends, we all do it sometimes, right? A small health issue pops up and instead of visiting a doctor, we Google it. Search symptoms, find a random medicine and take it on our own. We call it self-medication. But do we realize how dangerous it actually is? Most people don't care until it is too late. And now this habit has gone way beyond control. A 37-year-old man trusted ChatGPT, yes, the world's most popular AI chatbot, for months. He believed it is so much that now his life itself is in danger. So what exactly went wrong with ChatGPT here? Is self-medication ever safe? What are the side effects of Googling your symptoms? And how risky is it to trust the internet for health issues? Stay with me till the very end of this video. This topic is really important. ChatGPT's blunder when AI hid cancer. Friends, meet Warren Tierney, a 37-year-old man from Ireland. A few months ago, he developed a severe throat pain. It got so bad that even swallowing food became difficult. Now, instead of going to a real doctor, he turned to ChatGPT for help. And for months, yes, for months, he kept taking medicines that ChatGPT suggested. It is not like he couldn't afford a doctor. In fact, he was a psychologist, a mental health professional himself. But ChatGPT convinced him that he was fine. He even asked ChatGPT directly, "Could my throat pain be a sign of cancer?" And ChatGPT confidently replied, "Based on your symptoms, cancer is highly unlikely. Almost impossible." And that false reassurance cost him months of precious time. And when the pain finally became unbearable, he went to a real hospital and met a real doctor. And then doctors found something shocking. Stage 4 cancer. Yes friends, stage 4 adenocarcinoma, a type of cancer that had already spread through his food pipe. By then it was too late, and Warren himself admitted later, "ChatGPT delayed my hospital visit. I believed its answers blindly, but I cannot blame the AI chatbot now. I am responsible for trusting it for medical advice." That's powerful and heartbreaking. And after this incident, even OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, had to issue a statement. They said, "Our chatbot is not designed for medical use. It should never be used to diagnose or treat any health condition. The information it gives is not a substitute for a professional medical advice. So basically, don't use ChatGPT like a doctor." Internet is not equal to doctor. Friends, it is not just ChatGPT. No search engine, no Google, no chatbot, none of them are meant for medical use. But today, for every small problem, cold, fever, headache, tiredness, diabetes, BP, we go straight to Google and ChatGPT. And that's a big problem. A 2024 study revealed that 53 to 64% of Indians practice self-medication. That is hundreds of millions of people acting like their own doctors. On your screen right now, you can see a list of commonly misused medicines: paracetamol, amoxicillin, ranitidine, and so on. Now these are not commonly used medicines anymore. They are common misuse medicines. So what really happens when you self-medicate with them? Let's break it down that also. Drug resistance and organ damage. Many people pop antibiotics like amoxicillin or azithromycin the moment they get a throat infection or viral fever. Even Google recommends these first. But here is the truth. You can never know the exact dosage your body needs. Take too much and your body starts fighting against the medicine. That is called drug resistance. Soon infections stop responding to antibiotics and allergies increase. And one more thing, doctors always prescribe a full course, 4 days, 5 days or more, because incomplete doses make the bacteria stronger. If you stop halfway, your body develops resistance, and next time that same medicine won't work anymore. That is why experts warn. According to a Lancet report, between 2025 to 2050, around 39 million people, that is 3.9 crore people, could die due to antibiotic resistance. That is how dangerously we are misusing these drugs. Paracetamol overuse is equal to liver damage. Even paracetamol, which we think is safe, can be toxic if overused. Too much of it damages the liver and in severe cases causes liver failure. Studies have shown that in many countries, nearly half of acute liver failure cases are due to acetaminophen, that is paracetamol. Too much of anything, even medicine, becomes poison. Similarly, nasal sprays and decongestants, when used too often, can damage the inner lining of your nose, a condition called atrophic rhinitis. And it doesn't stop there. Some people take 3-4 different medicines at once. One for fever, one for cold, one for body pain, all without consulting a real doctor. That is called polypharmacy, and it is very common in India, especially among people who already have existing health conditions and live alone. From habit to addiction. When you self-medicate often, your body slowly becomes dependent on medicines. Even for a simple fever or mild body pain, you start reaching for pills automatically. But many such fevers are not even infections. Sometimes they are just fatigue or dehydration. All you need is rest, hydration, and maybe a day's off. If it doesn't get better in a day or two, then you must see a real doctor. But we have conditioned ourselves to pop a tablet at the first sign of trouble, and that is dangerous. Why a doctor's advice matters. Here's the key difference. When you go to a doctor, they don't just treat your symptom. They ask why it happened. They check your medical history. They check your body physically for any other medical conditions. Assess your tolerance. Ask for the blood test, scanning, X-ray, etc., etc., and then give you a diagnosis before prescribing any medicine. That is something no chatbot or search engine can ever do. And most importantly, online, most suggestions are influenced by promoted drug brands. Whoever pays more gets shown more. And remember, chatbots like ChatGPT are trained on human-fed data. They repeat patterns, not real diagnosis. So never ever trust them blindly for health issues. You are not just risking a wrong answer, you are risking your life. AI can mimic a doctor's tone, but not their training. So next time you feel unwell, resist that urge to Google it or ChatGPT it, because the world's smartest chatbot might still miss the truth. And the cost could be your health or even your life. Friends, that's it for today. What do you think on this? Please let us know your thoughts on the comment section below. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to like, and especially please don't forget to share, especially this kind of reports. And if you're still watching till this very end moment of this video, maybe you are liking our efforts. So it is our duty to request you to subscribe and hit that bell icon as well, so that it can motivate us to do more good work. Thank you so much. Keep looking for better. Let's meet again. Namaste.